Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model MTP-B145D-1AVEF. Let's get started. This is a new Casio watch with a pink dial. We're not used to seeing Casio use this dial color in the MTP series watches. Tell us what you think about this color. Would you wear it on your wrist? It features a date function and has a mineral glass. The case width is 35 mm, and the watch weighs 82 grams. Both the case and the bracelet are made of stainless steel. The battery in this model lasts approximately 3 years. The water resistance of the watch is 50 meters. Inside, there is a Miyota GM12 mechanism. How do you like this watch? How would you rate it from 1 to 10? It has a practical mechanism for opening and closing the watch. I really like this type of bracelet. I have a small wrist, around 17 centimeters. I don't wear watches larger than 38 millimeters. I love this watch, I could wear it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please write to us in the comments.